Hello everyone and welcome to our first webinar. Today we are going to launch our new product, which is 3MA dashboard. A quick disclaimer. Today we are going to give you some examples based on MT4. Please do not take them as a financial advice. Do your own research before starting to trade or invest. This is our webinar structure. We will start by introducing what is moving average, for sure definition, usage, importance of using multiple moving average. We will talk about our previous indicator, which is trend Symphony, how it works, how to benefit from it, and for sure, we are going to introduce our new product, which is 3MA dashboard, and we will tell you why 3MA, how it works, how to benefit from it. And since you joined our webinar, we have a surprise for you. You should wait for it till the end, which is a huge discount. What is moving average? As a definition, moving average is the average closing price of a certain asset for a specified number of periods. There are many periods used for this indicator, some of them 50, 100, and 200. So if you look at the bottom of this slide, we can see that there is this chart and there is a blue line. This blue line represents the moving average. If you would like to know how this moving average is built, if we're using daily time frame, example here, if we are on the daily time frame, to be able to come up with this trend moving average, what it does is it will calculate the closing price of today and the previous 49 closing days. And then it will give us an average. The next day it does the same. The next day closing price plus the previous closing prices of the days, and then it will give you another average, and etc. This, if you link these dots, then you will come up with a trend like the one that you can see in blue below. Usage of moving average. There are two ways, either to detect the trend direction or dynamic support. We will not focus on this. We will focus today on trend direction. So we use moving average to know how the trend will continue. If the price is above the moving average, then most probably the market will go to the upside. As simple as this. However, if the market is below the moving average, the market will continue to the downside. Most common moving average period for trend direction is 100. Usually we use slow moving average. Slow, I mean by 100, 200 as period, to detect a trend direction. If it's above, as we said, that means the market will go to the upside. If it's below the 200 or 100 moving average, that shows that the sellers are still in control and the market will continue to the downside. Okay, so the slower the moving average, the better for trend direction. We will introduce the importance of using multiple moving average. So why it's better to use multiple moving average? Because you will have a confirmation from 3 different moving averages. So if the 3 are in synchrony, this shows or agree on a certain direction. This is better than using one moving average. So you have 3 different confirmation. You will get an early detection of a trend reversal, which is the best. So let's say the market is going to the downside and multiple moving averages are showing you that the market is about to reverse. You will have the ability to get the cheapest price if you are willing to buy this asset. You will have a better position if you will be able to buy the bottom. remember, buy low and sell high. This is really important in trading. Huge advantage over other traders. This is something, let's say this is a fact. If you know where the market will reverse, you will have a huge advantage over other traders, and then you will be making some money by profiting from other traders. This is the idea here. It's all about winning at the end. Who has an edge over other traders? So let me show you an example on MT4, how you will see moving average. So here we have Euro USD. Okay, let me make this clear. I will remove the grids. So here we have, we will add an indicator which is moving average. I will show you. So if I go here, this is the moving average. I will use the 200. So you can see, as long as the market is above the 200 moving average, that means the market will go up. Here, when the market is below the moving average, that means the market will continue to the downside. When the moving average is in the middle of the chart, similar to this area here, you can see it, it doesn't give you any accurate direction. So it is better used when the market is trending. So if the market below this here, then the market will go down. If it's above the moving average, most probably here, the market will continue. So the direction is to the upside. It will give you an idea how most probably the market will move in the coming hours. Okay, as simple as this. Let me go back to our slides. Trend Symphony. Trend Symphony is the previous indicator, or the one before our 3MA dashboard that we are launching today. Today we are launching 3MA dashboard. Trend Symphony is the predecessor of 3MA dashboard. How this Trend Symphony works? The Trend Symphony uses 3 moving average, which are 30, 50 and 100, the slow, medium and fast. Okay, so if you open the specification of this indicator, you will see that by default we use 30, 50, 100. You can change them, but this is the default settings of Trend Symphony. We use 3 different ones: slow, medium and fast. So Trend Symphony, it will give you an idea how most probably the market will move by using these 3 moving average. If the price is above the 3, that means most probably the market will move to the upside. So we are using 3 confirmation from 3 different moving averages to give you a signal to buy or sell. However, if the market is below those 3 different moving averages, it's better to consider a sell, not a buy position. So this our previous indicator. What it does, it will implement those moving averages directly into your graph, and then will show you how most probably the market will go either to the upside or to the downside. Let me show you an example here. If I will remove this first, let me remove the moving average that we used for the previous example. Okay, let me add our previous indicator, which is here, Trend Symphony. Okay, so the market, as you can see, when the market is below the 3 moving average, so this red arrow, it gives you an indication that you should sell. Okay, and you can see how market it tumbled here. Okay, so the Trend Symphony, it will plot these moving averages and then will give you a signal whether to buy or sell. You cannot rely on one moving average. One moving average, it might give you a direction, However, our trend symphony indicator, it will give you a signal whether to buy or sell. Okay, you can see also that whenever the market start to move to the downside, these lines will start to be red. To the upside, they will start to be green. When there is no direction, and it's better not to trade when there is no one direction, let's say range similar to here, you will see yellow lines. Okay, that means this is neutral. Okay, you will get a buy signal as similar to this if there is a buy opportunity. Here the market moved to the upside and then made a kind of correction. Okay, so the market gave you an opportunity to scalp from here to here. Okay, you can see this arrow, a green one, showing you that you should buy. So the good thing about Trend Symphony, it doesn't just show you a direction, it shows you direction plus whether to sell or buy. Okay, you will get an arrow, you will get a push notification, email, sound. Okay, these notifications will let you know when to sell or buy. Let's get back to our PowerPoint. So our new product today is 3MA dashboard. Okay, how we came up with this new indicator or new product. One of our happy customers that used to use Trend Symphony asked us how I can see all the asset that I am trading and all the time frame, let's say, in one dashboard to come up with trading ideas. So he needed like a dashboard where he can see the direction and whether to buy or sell in one dashboard. So he gave us an idea why we don't create such an indicator or product, and this is where we come up with this 3MA dashboard. So 3MA dashboard indicator scan all the pairs you want to trade on all time frame for this kind of high probability Trend Symphony trade setup. So what it does, it scans all the available pairs that you trade, maybe cryptocurrency, forex, indices. It does everything automatically. You don't need to implement the indicator, the Trend Symphony, each time you need to trade like I did. What it does, it's automatically, it shows you on one dashboard all the indicators, all the pairs that you trade on any time frame. It shows you all the recently formed trade setups in all markets on all time frame in one beautiful easy to use dashboard. Okay, how to benefit from 3MA dashboard. The indicator displays all detected trend following in one convenient dashboard. As we said, it will show you many assets that you would like to trade. Let's say Australian on 1 minute time frame, it's going up and it's time to buy. Okay, so it shows you another asset, let's say another index, let's say US 30 is going down and maybe it's time to sell, and you all see them in one dashboard without going through one by one and losing time. So this increases accuracy, and which is really important in trading, to have the right time to execute and not losing time by scrolling and making the analysis, especially if you are a day trader. Okay, and for sure this will lead to a less lag, as we can see in the second point. You don't need to manually do every pair and time frame, so it does the work for you, so less time to waste. And finally, it increased versatility, which is it shows you instantly which trade setup has just formed on every pair and every time frame, from 1 minute to monthly time frame. Okay, so in summary, I will show you what I am talking about this legend indicator. You will love it. You will see it on MT4 to know what I am talking about and how it could help you in your analysis and make analysis easy for you. Let's go to MT4 again. I will add this indicator. So in case you bought this product, you go here, custom and 3MA dashboard. You will put OK here, and then you will come up, you will see this dashboard. So as you can see here, guys, what it shows you is Australian US dollar on 1 minute time frame. It is bearish, and it will give you the age. So when this signal to sell was happening, so 27 bars ago, the software gave us a signal to sell. Okay, so it's a little bit late here to consider a sell, because this is the age of the signal. So remember the trend Symphony, it gives you the trend direction, okay, which is here, and a signal whether to buy or sell. So the age here, it's how long this signal was sent. Here it will show you that it was sent 27 bars ago on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, also it gives you, let's say if you would like to trade based on these inputs, where to put your stop loss, entry and target profit. So it gives you a clear indication where to enter, when to go out, whether to the stop loss or to take profit. So if I scroll down, you can see, let's say Euro USD on the weekly, it's bearish, and this was given 12 bars ago. This signals to sell by 12 bars ago. Okay, the good and great thing that has this product, a new feature, which is you click on, let's say Australian USD here, M5, which is 5 minutes, and then directly it will tell you, it will direct you to the chart of the 5 minute of Australian USD. So here you can see that the market gave you an indication to buy, and look what happened, how much you benefit from this big move. Okay, so it's not just give you a trend direction, it gives you where to buy exactly. And if you benefit from here to here, we have huge amount to pips to be made. Okay, this is a great product. It will make your trading day easy, and you will have more time to decide and execute, whether you are a day trader, swing trader. This will help you a lot. Going back to our slide, now it's time to talk about the surprise. And as we said, since you attended this webinar, we have a discount for you. Back in the days, such an indicator used to cost, if you would like to buy it, at least $10,000. Okay, so today we have a very advanced technology, so things are getting cheaper. So for sure, you're not here to buy such an indicator for $10,000. Although it's worth it, it is a really great product, but we will not let you pay $10,000. So this is for sure not our price for this product. Usually we sell this product for $149. So if you go to our website, which is yourindicatorvault.com, you will see that the price that we sell is $149. This is our initial price. But since you attended our webinar, and this is an honor for us, and we will give you a discount here, which is $99 instead of $149. So this is our last price, which is $99, and this is 33% off of our initial price. So this is what we have for today's webinar. If you like it, please contact our support to give you the link to be able to buy this great and easy to use product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another webinar. Have a lovely day, guys.